Hello everyone, this is John from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Profitec espresso machine with us in the shop. And pretty much it had came in because the machine, when turned on, machine didn't heat up like most of the time. Sometimes it will, but sometimes it just didn't. And so we went inside the machine, looked around the parts, and found that your relay, this right here, was giving out completely. This is what kind of controls where the power goes, stuff like that. This went out, which is now letting the machine hit the turn on the heating element, so it wouldn't work. So what we did is replaced it, and then we looked around the machine and decided to do a tune-up, which is where we replaced the shower screen, the gasket with brand new ones. Your older ones right here, I'll show you right now. This is your older ones, just dirty, filthy, used. Yeah, so we put brand new ones, brand new gasket. Also descaled your machine. There was quite a bit of scale in the machine. When we did descale it, the water came out nice neon blue, which means that the descaler 1 was working, but there was quite a lot of descale, so we ran until it was clear. Also back flushed your valve, which is pretty much from here all the way down here. And so yeah, now we're ready to brew a coffee. We're using our test coffee with us today. And the portafilter. We're going to test all the functions of the machine. As you can see, you can get your 90-degree angle pretty well. Run it. If it runs too slow or too fast, don't worry. We're just making sure that it gets watered through the front perfectly fine. As you can see, might need more coffee, but that's okay, just for testing. It is reaching at 8 bars to 9. If it was more finer, of course, it'll go higher, or if we had more coffee in there. So we're working well. All that pressure gets released through the valve on the bottom. Put that out the way. Rinse your group head out. Now we're going to test the other functions, which is starting with steam. The first 1-2 seconds is going to be water. Make sure the steam, as you can see, working really well. Also deep clean your steam wand by using Rinza, which is what we use to break down milk and pretty much clean your steam wand completely. Also, the hot water function, a little cup. As you can see, works really well. If you open that valve a lot of that steam is going to come out. But yeah, everything's working well and as intended. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.